I was going to say, I was smiling when you were talking about that, Spence. You and I have talked about this before. I'm absolutely on the same side you are that says, hey, these specialized models have a lot of advantage because often they deliver 99% of the benefit you need at 10% of the cost. You know, what we call focused large language models at CSA Research. Anytime you're using GPT-4o, probably 99% of that model is effectively sitting unused for your use case. And you don't need it. You're never going to need it. In fact, it may degrade what you need because some of the experiments show that the right data may have been put in as training data, but it gets statistically overwhelmed by the wrong training data. Whereas if you have a much smaller model that's tuned and focuses, you're going to get better results. So I'm 100% with you.
Yeah, we've talked about that a lot, and I agree. This is a huge debate within AI right now. In some sense, it's been a debate for a long time. It's not new. It goes back to the 40s. There's sort of a whole camp in AI world that wants to replace human beings, and there's a whole camp that wants to build machines that assist human beings. And it's like an instance of that debate, which goes back to the early days of AI. And talking to a bunch of customers, I think even with the rollout, there seems to be a little bit of disillusionment right now. Like some things are working pretty well, like enterprise search, customer support. Obviously, the technology has been really good for the localization use case for a long time, but maybe not to the extent that you can, completely eliminate all of your localization program.